manage the school papers. Okay, actually, last year, nagsimula September, ang Masbate Province, the school paper advisors from Masbate Province were of course sent to the regional training workshop in Guinabato, Albay. At alam niyo ba, isa sa paghahanda ng Masbate Province Division ay pinunduhan. Pinunduhan ng Division of Masbate Province ang lahat ng ginastos ng mga school paper advisors sa regional training. Alam niyo kung magkano ang registration fee? 4,200 pesos. Ilang phases ng training? Tatlo. Ilan na nag-participate sa training? Sobrang 100 yata. Imagine, sa 4,200 pesos na registration fee, tapos tatlong phases yun, ilan ang nag-gastos sa Masbate Province? Siguro million. Para lang maghanda tayo sa Regional Schools Press Conference and eventually to of course participate sa National Schools Press Conference. So ibig sabihin, mas pinaiigting ngayon ng Masbate Province ang training workshop ng mga school paper advisors, same of course with the campus journalists. So we can of course go to the National Schools Press Conference. In fact, masyadong ginalingan ng mga school paper advisors nyo ang training workshop because it was not just a training workshop but it was also held as a what? As a contest for school paper advisors. Alam nyo kung sino na grand champion sa Bicol Region? Ang nag-grand champion? Sino? O syempre, Masbate Province. Masbate Province ang nag-grand champion, both elementary and secondary, sa lahat ng events. Ano?